In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make student name tags in Google Slides. This is a wonderful tool for teachers who are seeking an easy yet creative way to personalize their classroom experience. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step to ensure you have neat and professional looking name tags by the end. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Slides. Open your web browser and simply go to the Google Slides website. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your Google account. This is crucial because without a Google account, you won't be able to access your saved work across devices. Once you're in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you've got two options. Click on a blank presentation, which is great if you want to start from scratch, or select a template if you prefer to build on pre-existing designs. For the sake of this tutorial, let's opt for a blank presentation so we can get creative with our name tags from the ground up. After your blank presentation is ready, look towards the toolbar at the top. You'll want to find and click on Insert. This opens up a variety of options you can insert into your presentation. The next step is to click on Shape. This is where you'll start crafting the base of your name tag. Select a shape that you feel will best fit your students' names. Rectangles and rounded rectangles are popular choices, but there are other shapes you might find suitable depending on your class's theme or the level of creativity you wish to display. Now that you've got your shape, it's time to add the text. Click inside the shape you just added and type in the student's name. Remember, it's not just about inputting their names. You want these tags to be easily readable. Adjust the font style, size and color to make sure it stands out well against the shape. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fonts and sizes to achieve the best look. Once the text is to your liking, think about adding a splash of color. Google Slides allows you to fill the shape with a variety of colors. Click on your shape and select Fill Color. Choose a color that complements the text but still maintains readability. Color coding could be an effective strategy if you have different groups within your class. Just a thought. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've created beautiful student name tags. Feel free to customize and decorate them further with images, logos, or graphic elements that resonate with your class theme or school values. The key is to balance creativity with clarity, ensuring these tags are useful while adding a personal touch to your classroom environment. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Enjoy your newly created name tags.